Welcome to the funniest real versus AI challenge. You'll see 15 pairs of photos. Guess which one is real and which one is AI. Be quick, you only have 5 seconds. Time to play. Nice job! How are you doing so far? Are your eyes sharp enough to spot the difference? How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. Well done! If you've made it this far with all the right answers, you're 1 in 100, seriously impressive. If that's you, you're a true champion. Now it's time for the final level, the impossible round. This is where things get messy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit subscribe and come back for more.